Hi friends, now we are going to make this amazing flower. Before this, if you are not subscribed our channel, please subscribe. Here I am taking 1 inch width ribbon and length of the ribbon is 3.2 inches approximately. Here I am rolling up the ribbon to 3.2 inch length cardboard as shown here. After rolling up the ribbon to the cardboard, cut the edges. Now take one ribbon piece and give respective folds as shown here. At the opening corners, give a curved cut as shown here. Give a heat touch up to the raw edges as shown here. Do the same process for other petals like this. Now take needle with thread. Now take one ribbon piece and fold it diagonally as shown here. To fix that position, give a hand stitch as shown here. Here number of petals is our option. You can customize it as per our need. Similarly join the other petals with the hand stitch. You can use this flower for headbands, hairbands, hair clips, baby frocks, etc. As per your wish, you can use it. Here I am taking 6 petals. Now gently pull the string from the both ends of a petal until it forms flower shape. Now one layer flower is ready. Similarly do another layer of flower. With the help of glue or glue gun, you can join the 2 layers of flower. Now beautiful flower is ready. If you like our video, please like it. Thanks for watching.